What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another weekly breakdown here at Top 10 Academy with your boy Rome. We're going to start off with breaking down gold and then US30, just like we always do. So let's get to it. Now we're going to start off with looking at gold here on the daily. Okay, on the daily here, we can see that we had our first bearish candle on futures. We do have a bearish engulfment on daily. We do not on forex. We do not have a bearish engulfment. Now let's go ahead and go down to our 4-hour as well too. Let me just clean up some of these charts a bit. Excuse me. All right. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna go down to our 4-hour, but I like my 4-hour over on the futures account, futures charts instead. Immediately I noticed that we have this order block right here. We swept into this daily fair value gap down here as well too. Which was also looking like a price gap, but it was already filled on lower time frames. But nevertheless, we have a fair value gap here, even showing on the forex charts. So with that bullish reaction there on the 4-hour back on the futures chart, I do like the look of that for possible bullish continuations, because it looks like something similar that happened right here, and then we just had more lift off. So as long as we hold this zone right here, I would continue to look for buys. As we scroll down to our lower time frames here, we can see that we actually have another run on sell side liquidity there, sell side liquidity right here, but then we close back up above this fair value gap right here, this very small one. We pulled back once and then we pushed back up again, okay, which is very, very interesting. With that, let's see here, our closest level of supply would be right about here. Okay, this is gonna be our 1-hour supply. And then let's see here, we did close up above this bit of this zone, and it's going to be it's going to continue to act like our buy area. Okay. All right, now let's go ahead and go down to our 30-minute real quick as well too. Looking at our 30-minute, we got an inverted head and shoulders with closure back up above this mitigation right here as well too. So we could see a pullback. We also have this breaker candle here as well too. We could see more pullbacks into for continuation up to possibly up into this fair value gap up here. Could hit this zone right there. Once we get to this zone though, we do need to pay attention to make sure that we have continuation, because it's probably going to react and come back to this zone. But you want to make sure you have this closure here before you continue to add on. So when you buy into this zone, and if you want to continue to buy, just make sure that you have either a reaction from here into an internal zone that would lie within here. So it could be like a fair value gap that's within here. You know what I'm saying? Unless it's resting right there, make sure it comes to there. And then make sure it does a little bullish reaction on the lower time frame as well too. Okay. And then you can be able to possibly catch that all the way up to take out these highs. This is one of those good buys that if we are going to go ahead and have continuations up to 5,000 or so on and so forth, as crazy they've been saying, that this would be a generational wealth buy zone here on opening, because if opening can start with pushing down and then closing back.
Feeling stuck financially? What if I told you you could learn skills that'll help you be profitable and free for life? Step 1, we kick off with the accelerator program, where for 2 weeks you're gonna learn how to read the chart. And it doesn't matter if you're completely a beginner and you don't know anything about the chart. This is gonna help you out and get you where you need to be within just 2 weeks. Step 2, this is where we move into the advanced program. In this program, we're gonna talk about strategies, risk management, and other skills that are needed to become a consistently profitable trader. Step 3, get lifetime access to our live trading, so you can be able to see the skills that are being taught in the classroom used on live markets for life. Step 4, learn how to get funded by proprietary prop firms that are actually providing funding up to millions of dollars, so then you can be able to trade and make bigger money without even risking your own money. Step 5, stay on track with one-on-ones, regular check-ins, and also trade reviews. This is there so we can be able to make sure we're guiding you along the way and help you out as much as possible. Other programs are going to bring you half the value and charge you up to $7,000 to $10,000 on an annual basis just to try to learn the same things. We're going to bring you a strong foundation, guide you through the advanced side of things, and even help you out with having a strong mentality so that you can become an independent, profitable trader. We're doing all these things for just $2,500. If you're serious about gaining new skills that are going to help you out with getting out of this rat race, make sure you act now. There are only 5 spots open for each registration period. So either go ahead and comment down below or go ahead and book a call with us. We'll go ahead and talk about your future. I'll see you then. Peace.
Up above these zones here. I think that's really good because we can get an internal reaction from here into a bullish reaction all the way up there. Yeah, absolutely insane. absolutely insane. And so that would probably look something like this, like on Sunday or immediate opening. Starts going straight down. We hit this 30-minute zone right here and push up and so on and so forth. All right. That's pretty much what I'm looking at here on gold. We just got to continue to play it by ear. If we are going to continue to sell, then we are going to see a whole lot of immediate sells. If we are going to sell, I would say that we are coming down to that 4,000 zone. Excuse me. Let's say 4,100 first, and then we'll come down to the 4,000 zone. And this is on the futures chart. Those would be the bearish targets. And also we'll throw in 4,180 as well too. So I'll put that here. And 4,000's down here. All right. Now let's go ahead and go over US30 real quick. I'm going to look at our daily chart first. Daily looks like doggy. Yeah, so we gotta head regular head and shoulders right here. Doji top, bearish engulfment, leading into this candle that's not engulfing anything. Let's go to our 4 hour on Forex. All right, 4 hour on Forex, we are back into into a fair value gap over here. And this is actually acting as our sell zone as the time being. You can see here we've had a lot of hoopla. Alright, so we got a triple bottom right here. Boom, boom, boom. That means that there's heavy liquidity definitely resting in this zone right here. So probably would end up seeing this get attacked at some point in time. But yeah, we need to pay attention to this zone here, okay? Because pretty much with US30, I would look at possible sells from up here. We got a bearish engulfment, another bearish reaction, and then we have another drop. If we fail to invert this, sells could easily come down another 1,000 points. Yeah, they could drop for another 1,000 points. We have these lows right here as well too. Go to our 30-minute bearish engulfment. So we got 30-minute sell side liquidity right here, or buy side right there. Yeah, we get that lower time frame, change of character. I think that this is the sell side target. Yep, that's what I would look for. I mean, as of right now, there's not really much to say, except for that once it does turn around, definitely go for it. Yeah, that's all I got for US30. If it gives a sell sign in this area, definitely go for it. Pretty much sells until it comes up above the 46,800. Like, I would just be waiting to catch some type of good sell that would just come crashing on down. But that's pretty much the breakdown for the week, guys. If you have any questions or anything directly, by all means, just reach out to me in the Discord or out on Instagram. You can use the links down below if you guys want to go ahead and trade with us on a daily basis, or if you want to sign up for classes, because me and Maverick, we actually teach every single week live in the Discord to all of our students. But good luck trading this week, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.